the brainstorming and we come up with this idea. This abstract idea. Abstract means yes, that one that's true. But actually, if you're just going to look at our building, you will not easily, or you won't know the meaning of it easily if you're just going to look at it. Because actually, there is a meaning behind that.
What is the meaning behind?
Actually, what's that meaning behind this? Yes. We people are born to be irrational people, right? Rational means the capacity to reason out and understanding. And because of that rationality, we create chaos. And for that, nature, that this hand with a knife, represents the wrath of nature, or the ecological backlash, wherein that backlash is the so-called H1N1. And for that H1N1 flu or influenza flu, that may kill the lives of a human being.
What are those symptoms and signs that a person has an H1N1 and how we're going to prevent it?
And the symptoms will be fever. That's one, fever. Sipon. Cough. Headache. Pananakit ng lalamunan. Throat. Sore throat. Pananakit ng kasukasuan.
Joint pain.
Yes. What are the symptoms of influenza H1N1?
But, Mr. Reporter, how are we going to prevent H1N1?
Yes, we can prevent AH1N1 virus through this. This represents the shield of that so-called virus. And this, the Red Cross represents, this Red Cross represents the World Health Organization. We, the nurses, belong to that. Magproteksyon sa ating we can go to the health center, healthcare board, DOH, to ask for help on how to prevent, on how to...
What are those precautionary measures that we can use or we can apply so that we would be in... Ano yung mga dapat natin isaalang-alang kung makasakali ito ay maging gaganap na sa Pilipinas. When in fact, we have been raised last 2008,
May paraan tayo ng pag-iwas.
okay, ano yun?
Una, kapag may kumain o umubo sa iyong tabi, agad takpan ng panyo o tisyo ang bibig. At example. You should cover your nose. You should have only a handkerchief or a tissue. Like, you're going to... Ugaliing maghugas ng kamay gamit ng sabon at tubig. Lahat ng CR, nakikita ko lahat ng CR na pinunta ko dito sa University of Cebu, Manila, have the proper way of washing our hands. And that is very essential. Iwasan ang pagyakap yakap, paghalik, at pagkamahal. Iwasan ang paghawak sa mata, ilong at bibig nang hindi na hinugasan ang kamay. Don't touch anything na sensitive part of our body kung wala ka ng hugot-hugot. Like, especially sa atong mouth. Because dali na siya kung anong bacteria kay open na siya. Next is, second to the last part, ano po iwan, is iwasan lumapit sa mga taong may sakit. Like, example, it's not that necessary for us to, like,